Alright, here's our linked list. 3, 7, 9, 5. For nodes all connected. Now, we want to search for the value 9. Can we jump straight to it? Nope. We have to check each node one at a time. We create a pointer called cur and set it to head. This is where we start our search. First check. Cur.val is 3. That's not 9. Not our target. So we move cur to the next node. Cur.val is 7. Still not 9. Move cur forward again. Cur.val is 9. That's it. We found what we're looking for. We return true. Value 9 exists in the list. But what if the value isn't there? Let's search for 4 this time. Same process. Cur starts at head. 3 is not 4. Move forward. 7 is not 4. Next. 9 is not 4. And 5 is not 4 either. That was the last node. Cur moves to null. We've gone through the entire list. The loop condition fails. Cur is null. So we return false. Value 4 does not exist. So the time complexity is O of n. Best case, we find it right away at the head. Worst case, we walk through every single node. If this helped you understand searching in a linked list, hit subscribe and drop a like. Traversal is coming next.